All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Jeep Cherokee. It is a limited edition 4x4 with alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controllers, backup camera, roof racks. Super nice. And best of all, no damage around the body, your front bumper. Looks great. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread here is under 430 seconds. Let me double check this. Yep, under 430 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. That looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread back here is at 530 seconds. Here's your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dents or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. As you can see, it does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. It's just a push start system. Turn on the lights. Get your AM, FM, CD player on and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera, pow. You got your heated seats, heated steering. You got your AC controls right down below, dual AC controls. Got your 4x4 action right there. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 28,804. All right, looking good. Keeping it moving. At your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper looks good. Lift gate looks good. That's what your rear trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire. Down here, got your owner's manuals right there, boom. And the spare tire here with some tools and stuff. All right. Coming around, this quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Seems to have a little dinghy right here in this quarter. Very small, but it is there. Tire thread is at 530 seconds. This tire here, she's have a dent with paint off, I'll say 10 or more inches. Yeah, I got to call out that, but even though it doesn't really feel like it, just because I'm not sure what it is. Here's your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have a little compartment here for you to store stuff in. That's about it. Front fender here looks good. Has a scuffing here. It's about 6 inches, that scuff. Well, here's your your front passenger rim, no curbing. Tire thread under 430 seconds. All lights are working. Boom. Car looks great, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. Limited edition 4x4 with 29,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.